To solve this problem, we need to use the principle of set theory and the principle of inclusion and exclusion. Solve the following question involving set and draw a Venn diagram. 140 students were enrolled for the first semester. 58 of them will be taking maths class, 60 will be taking up an English class, and 53 will be taking up science class. Then 10 students signs up for both math and English, 8 signs for both English and science, 5 students enrolled in all 3 subjects. A. How many students were enrolled in math only? B. How many students were enrolled in English only? C. How many students were enrolled in science only? D. How many students will not be taking up in any 3 subjects? Let's solve the Venn diagram. Math is 58. Science is 53. English is 60. Between math and English is 5 plus 5 equals 10. Between English and science is 3 plus 5 equals 8. Between math and science, 7 plus 5 is 12. So, paano nga po natin makuha ang math, English, science? So, lagay lang po natin sa math ay 58. 58 minus 10 between math and science minus 12 between math and science plus 5 dahil siya po yung kumuha ng tatlong subject equals 41. Sa English naman po 60 minus 10 minus 8 yung 8 po between na English and science minus 5 equal 47. Sa science naman po 53 minus 8 minus 12 minus plus 5 equal 38. So, sa math naman po, ang sagot niya is 41. Gaya po natin siya dito, loob. And yung English naman po ay 47. And science naman ay 38. So ngayon, nasolve na natin ang A and B and C. Ngayon, solve naman natin yung D. Yung A, how many students were enrolled in math only? Kanina, nasolve na natin. Ito yung sa may math, is 41. Lagay lang po natin dito sa A is 41. Para masolve natin yung D. Yung sa B naman, how many students were enrolled in English only? Kanina, nasolve natin, yung sagot is 47. Lagay lang po natin dito. 47. Sa C naman, how many students were enrolled in science only? Lagay natin is 38. So, paano na natin makuha ang sagot ng D? Ang gagawin lang natin, ipag-plus lang yung tatlo na to. 41 plus 47 plus 38
Sino gagawa mo?
equal 126. So ngayon, solve natin yung letter D. How many students will not be taking in any of 3 subjects? Lagyan lang natin yung 140 na nag-enroll lang per semester. 140 minus lang natin 126 minus 140 equals 14. Ay, sagot na sa D, 14.